guys. All right, so I am now at my second condo and I am going to be working on setting it up. I am mostly finished with the first condo. I just need to throw away some boxes and get some decor, which will happen over the weekend. But yesterday we had an ice storm. It wasn't too bad, but everything is still kind of frozen and the temperatures are like at 9 degrees right now. So I ended up spending the night at the second condo because I didn't want to drive in ice. So I had some stuff with me, so I was able to stay the night. Plus, I had a bed here and sheets and linens and all of that stuff. So I was like, I can stay. So just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So yeah, this just is like, it looks like snow, but it's actually sleet, ice. Just everything's just frozen. My car is frozen over, so I'm kind of waiting until later in the day before I can get out and do a few things if possible, which I'm sure I will. It'll warm up a little bit and the roads will be okay. But today I need to do quite a few things. So I need to go get the occupancy permit for this condo because I have not done that. I need to go pick up packages that were delivered at my house. They are going to be delivered at my house today. I need to also do some paperwork because I have some leads. So two nurses want to rent one of the properties I have. So I need to look at their background checks, credit checks, and if everything looks okay, I need to create a lease. But just give you a glance real quick of what it looks like around here. So yes, this is where I slept last night and the TV's working, so it's a mess right now. So yeah, I'll be back with you to give you more updates. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. So make sure you subscribe and like my channel because I continue to bring you more information about the midterm rental industry and the business and what I'm doing in my corporate rental business. So follow my journey. And also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Miss Kellie Michele, the same name you see above. Put it all together, you'll find me. If you want to schedule some free time to talk to me, I do provide free 30-minute consultations. The link is in the description below for my calendar, so you can click on that link and book some time with me. And I also put some free resources and information in the description as well to help you guys out. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.